guys, it is the end of the week. That means we are doing a PR unboxing. I do this every single Friday here on my channel. I save up all of my PR packages and then we unbox them. See what's new at Sephora, new at Ulta. So this first package here says it's from Kogi Cosmetics. Pull it out. It says, Molly, we hope you love our top fall nail polish shades. Available in store at Sally Beauty. And it looks like they fell out of the little thing we have here, but it's a 3-piece set. Let me pull them out. So inside of here, ooh, this is a pretty color. I have like this purple shade right here. This one is in Purple Goddess. And then we have this really nice like cranberry shade. This one here is in Playing Games. And then the last one, this is my type of shade right here. I love these like purpley taupes. They're like my absolute favorite colors. And this one is in the shade London Fog. Super awesome. KOKIE is an affordable brand too, so I'm sure this is going to be an affordable little bundle. If you are looking to ever shop on KOKIE's website, I do have a coupon code. This is like new. I just got one with them. It's just Makeup Molly in case you're interested. I know their new sponge that they just came out with is like everything. I love the sponge, so super excited about these. Thank you, Kogi Cosmetics. We have another little mailer here. This one actually came to my P.O. box, and I'm not sure who this one is from, so we gotta see. Okay, so ooh, we have this cute little sticker here on the front. So let's see who this is from. Ooh, lashes. This is from SONADORA by Tracy, I believe. And that is super cute. Like, how fun. I bet she has those custom made. I like don't want to tear it open because that is just like so cute. So let's see what the lashes look like. Oh, this packaging is so pretty. How cute. They have like little stars and moons on them. I love that. So this one here is in Baby Girl. Ooh, they pull out too. That's nice. I feel like normally they like flip up, so that's like a different touch. These are beautiful. Here is those in Baby Girl. I love how they're iridescent too. These are really pretty. They feel really nice too. Okay, so that is that one. And then let's go ahead and see the next one. Wow, these are gorgeous too. I can't wait to wear both of these. Here's the next pair. Those look beautiful, and these ones are called Serenity. So let's see here if I can read you guys a bit about them. So these are new additions. They're each $10 each. So it says, Sidora means dreamer in Spanish. I am a daughter of 2 immigrants who came to the United States to live their American dream, in which it didn't go as planned. I knew I had to live out my dream for my family. My dream is to have my own small business that starts here. I appreciate your support more than you know. I hope that this inspires someone to do something that makes your heart happy no matter how wild your dreams are. With love, Tracy. I love that. This is awesome. So I'll definitely be using these lashes. I'll keep you guys updated on them. They're so beautiful, and I'll have her shop linked down below for you guys. Box I'm getting into now, because it's from Double Dare. And I always love Double Dare's products. They do a lot of skincare products. It looks like we have this big old OMG box. They are known for their like OMG headbands. I have a bunch of those, and they're OMG like masks and products. This is so cute. Like, I love the fade. I kind of want to like put this somewhere in my room. I just love like a tie-dye anything. So let's see what this is. It is a 3-in-1 my goodness, hair clinic. Ooh, for scalp care, for damaged hair, for hair restore. Love that. So let's see if this, I think it opens up here. So on the inside, let's pull these, oh, okay. I think these are like different things for each mask. Okay, so here's what this looks like right here. And it looks like it says everything that's going to help. So this is a 3-step. So I was telling you guys they're known for like their OMG products that have the different steps. So we have step 1, which is a fortifying cleanser, growth enhancing treatment. That's awesome. And then lastly, they have a self-warming hair cap. And it says here like all of the different things that are in each of the products. I think that that's great. So I'm assuming all of these are just going to be like the same mask. But let me go ahead and see. Oh, they're all separate. Okay, so this one here is for hair restore. This one is going to be for scalp care, and then the very last one is going to be for damaged hair. So you get this in a set, and then you have all of the different self-care masks in here for your hair. I think that that's really cool. This is a cool idea. I'll definitely be sure to try those out and let you guys know what I think. I love doing hair masks, so this is definitely something I'm into. All right, so this next box, this is from Vegan Beauty, KVD Beauty, and this is introducing their new Dazzle Vegan Eyeshadow Sticks. These are long wear prismatic eyeshadow in a flash. Fun. So like some liquid shadow sticks. Sent over quite a few different shades right here. So let's see which ones. I kind of am digging a silver one. I feel like I haven't had a silver one in a while. Packaging is super cute. Here's what it looks like. I feel like it's kind of different. And here's the actual applicator. It kind of looks like a lipstick. So it says, transform any look with these ultra dazzling dimension water-based formula for a cooling or refreshing effect. It says, use your finger to pick up the pigment, then tap it on your lid or blend to reveal a kaleidoscope of a sparkle. Ooh. It says, no primer needed. Get creative for combining different colors. These will be available October 25th at Ulta and Ulta stores and Sephora on the 21st. And they're available now on KVD Vegan Beauty's website. These are pretty. Here's that one. Look at how gorgeous. That's like so metallic too. Super shimmery. Let's go ahead and try out another one. That's the silver. It looks like there are quite a few different shades. I kind of want to go for like this pink one called Force Field. And ooh, these are very pigmented. I'm excited to try these out on the eyes. There's the shade Force Field right there. Super pumped about these. Definitely excited to give them a try. Like I said, they're available now, so I'll have them linked down below. Right, the next box we have here says it's from Blissey. I'm thinking that's Bliss, the skincare brand, but I'm not sure. So I don't know why I thought this was like the skincare brand's Bliss, but this is actually Blissey Silk Pillowcases. Interesting. I'm not sure how they got my info, but let's go ahead and see. This is a 100% pure mulberry silk pillowcase. I'm into that. I have a silk pillowcase on my pillow now. I feel like they say it helps with like your hair, so I'm all about something that's going to help me. So let's see how it feels. Ooh, it feels really nice. It comes very nicely packaged too. Like here's the package. It's got like a glittery finish to it. Super cute. And what is happening here? I was like, this is a large pillow. It's like massive. This is like a blanket almost. But it feels super soft. It says it helps you cool and keep comfortable. It's anti-aging and skin saving. Your go-to hair helper and eyelash extension extender. It's sleep introducing. It's naturally hypoallergenic. It will last a lifetime, and it's perfect for traveling. So nice. It has quite a few different colors, and it starts at $69.95. That is a pricey pillowcase. Holy moly. Hopefully this is something that's like life-changing, because that's pretty pricey for a pillowcase. All right, so moving on to our next box, we have this here from KAPARI. I really haven't tried too many of KAPARI's products, so I'm excited to give them a try. They said, hey Molly, we hope you love these coconut skin goodies. Help you get to know KAPARI better. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Love the KAPARI team. I always love when they include notes. That's very nice. So we've got here a little thing saying some stuff about their coconut line. So let's see what they sent over. They sent over the Coconut Rose Toner. It says that this will refresh and balance. And all their products are sulfate-free, silicone-free, paraben-free. And this is all coconut oil, it says. So, oh, it's a spray. I love spray products. This is a spray toner. Okay, next up in here, we have their Coconut Melt. And this is for melt a dollop on your hand for your body for head to toe. This is like a big jar too. I like that. We also have it in here. Their coconut water moisture cream, plums hydrates, peptides, and hyaluronic acid plus rose extract. That sounds really nice. We also have in here their deodorants. I have tried these, and honestly, you guys, like I can't get on like the natural like deodorant kick. I feel like it's really hard for me to like switch over. I do want to try more, but for me, it just like it's not something that's working for me currently. But there are two different scents. We have the original, just like a coconut scent, and then the gardenia. I really love gardenia, so maybe I'll try that one out. And then we also have a couple. This is like a lot of products. We have the Sudsy Shower Oil. Interesting. I feel like I normally don't try like oils in the shower, so that's interesting. We have the Starry Eye Balm. This one has a cute name. I'm like extra curious because it says Starry, like what it looks like. So let me pull it out of the package. Look at this. Kind of has a little bit of a swirl in the package. I love the clear too. I'm into clear packaging. I think that's like my favorite packaging, just like plain clear. I just think it's so pretty. We also have the Birthday Suit Lip Glossy. Let's see what this looks like. So the packaging has like a sparkle all over it, and then here is what that one looks like. And then we also have, it looks like 2 more products in here. Their Tropical Glow Cleanser. So this one has pineapple and papaya enzymes plus coconut water. And then the last thing in here is their lip glossy, and I feel like this is like their most known product. This is what I think of when I think of KAPARI. I know a lot of people really love this one. So that is everything. That it's like a lot. So thank you so much, KAPARI. I will definitely give their products a try and come back and let you guys know what I think. We have got this pumpkin box right here, and it says, "Open me ASAP." Ooh, so it says trick or treatment. This is a Bright Idea serum and a pumpkin powerhouse mask. How fun. This is actually from Bliss, so that's funny that I was just talking about them. So we have the pumpkin powerhouse resurfacing and exfoliating enzyme mask, and then the Bright Idea vitamin C tripeptide. Here is that one. I think I tried that one before. And then we have the pumpkin powerhouse. I've never tried this, so let's open this one up. Okay, so this is a balancing and exfoliating enzyme mask. I want to see what it looks like. I do like a lot of Bliss's products. They have really great eye patches. It smells like pumpkin. Here's what it looks like. Love that. I'll definitely give this a try. Pumpkin is something in skincare that I feel like I like because I love the smell and I like love everything pumpkin, but sometimes it does irritate my skin, so I'll have to see about this one. It says it has a natural balance of AHAs, pumpkin enzymes. This whipped pumpkin mask gently exfoliates and resurfaces to reveal a refined texture and smoother skin yet. So this says use 2 to 3 times a week and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. It's actually available on Amazon, which is awesome. So I'll have them linked down below, the Amazon account for you guys. Okay, we've got this box here from DERMA. I feel like we've got lots of skincare this week. I love that. Okay, so the first thing I see in here is their microabrasion scrub. This is a citrus oil blend dead sea salt scrub. So we have that. And we also have in here their Radiance Toner. This has glycolic acid and ribose. I'm not sure what that is, but here's what that looks like. I love their purple packaging. That's one of my favorite. I know that that's a certain line, but I just love that packaging. I think it's so pretty. And then we also have in here the Overnight Peel. I got this sent to me once upon a time, and I actually gifted it away in a giveaway. But I keep hearing people talk about it, so it was on my list about things to actually purchase, but now I'll be able to try it. I believe it's Kelly Gooch recommends this all the time, so I'm excited to give that a try. And then we have a couple other small little samples in here that they included. Their Nourishing Shampoo, Hydrate and Smooth line. So this has apricot seed and argan oils in it. And then we also have some of their serums in here. So little samples of their serums and also their hydrating day cream. So super cool. Love that they included all of these products, and it says that these are breast cancer awareness. So in honor of breast cancer awareness, we are supporting Pink to show off your Derma E essentials. Tag them at Breast Cancer Awareness Month in your post to help support women everywhere. So I love that. Super great. Love that they included that. So definitely awesome. Love when brands have more of a meaning behind their products. Okay, we made it to our last box right here, and this one is from a PR company, and this is one of my Melody Joy PR packages, so these always have a bunch of different brands inside of them. I love these because I always feel like they include some really cool brands. So up first we have from Patology. This is their Little Helper Energy. This is their new dietary supplement. So it has caffeine, green tea, and vitamin D. And here is what that looks like. It says supplement, but it says like take one strip orally. Okay, so it's like a little strip. I think it's like a dissolving strip. Interesting. I probably can't have these, I'm guessing. I am breastfeeding still, so I probably won't be able to have these, I'm guessing, but I can definitely save them. Yeah, it says consult your doctor if you are nursing, so I'll have to ask about that, but I can save these for whenever I do stop that. But okay, so we have that in there, and then we have this giant face painting kit. This is fun. This is the Snazaroo face paint palettes. How cool. Look at all these fun face painting colors. Okay, up next we have something from Nomad. This is their multi-use chrome highlighter. I'm not going to open this because I know I already own this one, so I can actually throw that in a giveaway for you guys. But the next product in here is from Yes2. I've never tried this. This is their super fresh facial cleanser. You can hear Rowan screaming as normal. It says light hydration for all skin types, and it is watermelon scented. Love a good watermelon skincare. And then we have, this is the matching gel moisturizer. And this is also in the watermelon, and it says super fresh from Yes To as well. You guys hear him? He's like so loud. And then from Clarity, we have the Live Be Well Probiotic Pink Himalayan Salt Mask. Ooh, that sounds really, really nice. Here is what that one looks like. And then what else do we have in here? This one is from Sienna. This is their Moisture Drop Gel Primer. Ooh, that sounds nice. Pulling it out of the package. Here's what it looks like. Sienna has like really cool highlighters. Their highlights are so pretty. Okay guys, I think that is everything inside of this box. Super awesome. We had so many great products this month, or this week. I feel like we had a lot of skincare. Like definitely a lot of skincare and only a few makeup products, but I'm into it. I love my skincare, so anytime I get to try new skincare products, I'm like all about it, bring it on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to stay tuned for future unboxings. I do this every single Friday here on my channel. Subscribe so you do not miss out. Give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye friends.